Understanding, not a good time, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, not a good time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these common phrases can significantly improve your conversational skills. So, let's dive in. Not a good time is a phrase used to indicate that the current moment is inconvenient for a particular action or discussion. It suggests that the speaker is preoccupied or in a situation where they cannot give their full attention or participation. This phrase is often used to politely decline an offer or request without providing a detailed explanation. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work setting, if a colleague asks to discuss a project while you're in the middle of an important task, you might say, "Sorry, it's not a good time. Can we talk later?" 2. In personal situations, imagine a friend calls you for a chat while you're dealing with a family emergency. You could respond, "I'm sorry, this is not a good time for me to talk." These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts to convey inconvenience or the inability to engage at the moment. It's important to know how to respond if someone tells you it's not a good time. The key is to be respectful and understanding. You can say, "Sure, let's talk when it's convenient for you." "No problem, I understand. Let me know a better time." This shows that you respect the person's situation and are willing to accommodate their schedule. In conclusion, not a good time is a handy phrase to express that the current moment is inconvenient for you. It's polite, concise, and widely understood in various contexts. Remember, effective communication is not just about speaking but also understanding and responding appropriately. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. Happy learning!